Well, hi everyone, it's Lisa. Happy Thursday, and welcome to our use and care chat, where we spend a few minutes highlighting an item that we have available over on QVC or on our website, Temp-tations.com. Who's joining in today? Where are you joining in from? I'm checking in from Pennsylvania today. I just made another cup of coffee. One of my favorite mugs that we have from Temp-tations that was available on QVC. I actually don't even think we have anymore, but I love it. I drink out of this mug every single day. Do you guys feel that way about mugs? Like you own your mug. It's like your comfort. It's like your whoopee in the morning. Hi Jeffrey, hi Betty, how are you guys doing? So I'm checking in today, and I wanted to talk to you about our oven gloves. I always see such great comments about our oven gloves, how much you love them. And people were asking, like, so how do you take care of them? How do you wash them? How do you dry them? All those types of things. So just so you know, inside the oven gloves, hi Matthew, hi Verla, how you doing? Right here, care instructions. So there's always a little tab right here that says, you know, you can machine wash these. I don't put them in the dryer because of the silicone. I leave them right out. Hi Marianne, how you doing? Hi Shirley, hi Patty, hi Cindy, hi Lynn. Everybody's here. The band's back together. Hi Kimberly, except for Tara. I need Tara here for the band to be back together. Hi Jean. All right, so these are our oven gloves right here. So this is the gray classic that I'm showing you. Here are some of the things I wanted to talk to you about. The fact that when we use the word classic, when we're presenting items, whether it's on QVC or over on Temp-tations.com, hi Michelle from Ingleside, Texas, it means that we took Old World and Floral Lace and we mix them together. So you can see it right there. Hey, if you're new to Temp-tations, Old World and Floral Lace are our most popular floral patterns. So here's the Old World right here where I'm tapping. Here's the Floral Lace right up there, and we mix them together and you get one really pretty oven glove. Here's what's so cool about this. Oh, Janet, it's great to see you too, and Verla and Nancy and Wanda. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Matthew. Yes, I had 2 children get married this year. My daughter got married in July. My son got married October 14th. So, whew, that was a year. It was a fabulous year. But now I'm ready for like a 3-month vacation. Anyway, oven gloves, let's get back to what we're talking about. You get a set, you get 2. You also, if you go to QVC, you can get 2 pairs, so you get 4 gloves, okay? You can find these over on QVC, or you can find them over on Temp-tations.com. We were talking about the pattern, Old World and Floral Lace, 2 most popular floral patterns, and these, when we mix it together, we call it classic. This color is gray. It's more on the deeper tones, like more like a steel gray. Love this color, by the way. And here's what's so cool about it. So when Tara designed these, they come in 2 sizes, small and large. I just want to show you, okay? This is the large. I can wear it. I have a little bit of room. It's not meant to fit tight. It's meant to be a little bit of a looser fit so that you have the dexterity to grab things and there's some room to wiggle around. Silicone is awesome, you guys, because although these are oven gloves, I use them to open up things like my pasta sauces, my soups, all those cans that are really hard. And just a little trick, Rolla says, we need a vacation. Agreed. Here's what you do, like put the jar inside of here because the silicone will grip it, and then take it off with the top. So yeah, these are great in the oven because these are oven safe to 500 degrees. Michelle's saying she gets lots of colors. Yeah, I loved getting like a regular, I call this a regular color. You know what I mean? Like blue, gray, red, black. And then, oh my gosh, the seasonal colors that we have, the ice cream cones, the buffetti, the pumpkins, the gnomes. I'm obsessed with gnomes, and we did them now on oven gloves. I'm not even sure if they're available. And then, hey, Matthew, did you see we have holly berry over in our gloves? I don't have them with me here today, but super cute. All right, how are you going to take care of these? You're going to put them in the washing machine. I lay them on top of my dryer to dry because the silicone can stick together, all right? Don't put any fabric softener in your washing machine with these. By the way, this tag is just to remind you how to take care of them. Everybody's saying they love them. They're phenomenal, you guys. And the thing is, as we're getting ready for the holiday season, think about putting these in stockings. Think about wrapping these up with a cookbook, maybe even some baked goods like on your cookie exchange, all that kind of stuff. Michelle, get the gnomes before they sell out. I am telling you, they are the absolute cutest things. All right, why are these so amazing? Like, seriously, why can I go into an oven and why can I literally pull out the rack of my oven without getting burned? It's the inside that is really the answer to that. So look at this, and I'm literally like pulling it, but do you see how thick this is? It's layer upon layer of combed cotton. And you see how it's woven two different ways? See what I mean? So you get the down stitch and the side stitch. Yeah, that's what makes it so amazing. It doesn't let heat transfer through enough that you can get burned. Am I going to feel warmth? Yeah, you are. Are you going to get burned? No. Here's the only thing to be careful about, okay? If these get wet, right? So if for some reason you got near the sink or you picked up a dish out of the sink or whatever, and these get wet, the heat will go through. So don't ever, this is any oven glove you have, not just ours. Don't ever use an oven glove if it's wet, if that makes sense, okay? Ooh, baking basket with them for a gift. I love that. Oh, and who just got the gnomes? Hold on. Teresa. Teresa, is your last name Paris? I want that last name. I really like that. You got the gnomes? I'm telling you, the thing about these is like they're seasonal, and then you get these fun seasonal colors, and you lay them out on your counter. It's like you're decorating for the holidays. So we have like pumpkins and other items that you can definitely pick up. So don't miss out on that if you're looking for them. And they're themed, like they're orange and spice colors for the fall. And then for Halloween, they're black. And for Christmas, they're like red and green. Yeah, you guys get it. So here's what they look like. They come in two different sizes. I am on the large. You can see. Here's where the other thing I love it, how Tara designed it. See when it comes down the side right here? I'm not getting burned. How many times have you gone into an oven and been burned? Like, you know, right there. You guys, you have those memories, right? You hit the side. Oh, that's not going to happen anymore. So get a couple of pairs. We do have some sets on QVC that come. You get 4 gloves, so it's 2 pairs. So that, first of all, they're always washed and ready to go. And again, these are absolute kitchen essentials. So I love these. They come in a small, they come in a large. Patricia, that's a good idea. I don't know if we can do that, but we can totally look into it. And then when you want to store them away, look, you just kind of, look how easy it is. They're just like super loose. Again, why is there no heat transfer? It's because of this, you guys. It's because that layer upon layer of combed cotton right there, and it's cross-stitched, if you will. So you have layers that go up and down, and then side to side. It just doesn't allow any transfer of the heat in. So you have any other questions about these? How are you going to take care of them? Machine wash them, and then I lay them on my dryer to dry. Again, silicone, so use these for things like opening up jars. You know what else they're great for? Like, look at this. When you go into the microwave and you want to pull out your coffee or your hot chocolate or your soup or whatever, anything out of the microwave, a lot of times you need like a mitt to do that. Well, you have complete protection with these. Oh, you did? Michelle said, oh, you got him his own pair to cook. This would be a gentle reminder for someone in your family who's not doing enough cooking. Hey, I got you some oven gloves for Christmas. When are you gonna start cooking? How about something like that? I love that idea. All right, so I'm gonna let you go. I just wanted to do a quick check-in. Let me tell you what's going on this weekend. Okay, so tomorrow's Friday. Tomorrow night at 10 p.m. on QVC2, we're gonna be, Tara's gonna be on with Mary Beth Rowe, and we have some of our great Christmas decor going on over there. Oh, actually those recipe ornaments, if you guys haven't seen them, check it out tomorrow night. I think we're on at like 10:45. And then Sunday in the Kitchen with David, we still have a big deal going on. So if you're in the need of dinnerware, check out the big deal because the price expires soon. And we have some amazing colors over there, including Doodle Doo. Then next week, we do a live stream over on QVC.com. We used to do it on Wednesdays, and starting next week, big news, on November 1st, we're gonna start moving it to Tuesdays. Tuesdays at 11. So come join us. Lots of ways to stay in touch with us on social, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. By the way, you have to check us out on TikTok because we have some really, really fun things over there. We're going to start going live over there. So make sure that you check us out over there. All right. Karen, it's great to see you. Janet, everybody have a great day. I hope you have some great weather wherever you are. Enjoy the fall and we'll see you this weekend. Okay. See you guys. Bye-bye.